How to automatically add a decimal point in Excel using Excel options. To automatically insert decimal points in Excel, do the following steps. Firstly, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Next, click on the File menu. Then, click the options in Backstage. After that, switch to the Advanced tab when the Excel options window appears. Check the option, Automatically Insert a Decimal Point. Then, enter the places and click the OK button. Now, let me see in an example how it works. By default, places is set to 2. So, if you enable the Automatically Insert a Decimal Point when you type 1234, it will automatically change to 12.34. In case you want to make it 1.234, you'll need to enter 3 in the places value. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in next video.